The best time to buy and sell stocks depends on various factors, including your investment goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Here are some general guidelines to consider. Best time to buy stock. During market dips, many investors look to buy stocks when the market experiences a downturn or correction. This is often a good time to find stocks at a lower price. Long-term perspective. If you have a long-term investment horizon, several years or more, then time in the market is typically more important than timing the market. Dollar cost averaging can be an effective strategy where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. Fundamental analysis. Consider buying a stock when you believe it is undervalued based on fundamental factors like earnings, revenue growth, and industry trends. Before earnings reports, some traders may buy stocks before earnings reports if they anticipate positive results. However, this strategy can be risky, as stocks can be volatile after earnings releases. Best time to sell stock. Profit targets. If a stock reaches your predetermined profit target or if you achieve your investment goals, it may be a good time to sell and realize gains. Rebalancing. If your portfolio has become unbalanced due to a stock's strong performance, you may want to sell some of that stock to maintain your desired asset allocation. Deteriorating fundamentals. Consider selling a stock if the company's fundamentals worsen, such as declining earnings, management issues, or changes in the industry that affect the company's prospects. Diversification. If you need to diversify your portfolio or reduce risk, selling some stocks can be part of a broader strategy to maintain a balanced and diversified investment mix. Tax considerations. Be mindful of tax implications when selling stocks. In some cases, it may make sense to sell stocks in a tax-efficient manner to minimize capital gains taxes. Stop-loss orders. Traders often use stop-loss orders to automatically sell a stock if it drops below a certain price. This is a risk management strategy. It's important to note that attempting to time the market perfectly can be challenging, and it often leads to missed opportunities or losses. For most long-term investors, a buy-and-hold strategy and a focus on fundamental analysis are more effective than trying to time the market. Consulting with a financial advisor can also help you make informed decisions based on your individual financial situation and goals.